Now see the morning view of the city. Everything is covered with clouds. People are busy in their day-to-day work. See the beautiful mountains covered with clouds. All over mountains. That are not clearly visible due to clouds. Seems like a perfect Meghalaya shot. That's all for now. I see the night view. The moon is shining so brightly in the clear sky after the rains, and see the night view of the city from the top of the mountains. Everything is dazzling like sparkles. The city is looking really beautiful. That's all for now. Good night.